Hang on a second there, Jules. What is this nifty product you're putting those magazines into?
This is the Aussie Traveller Awning Organiser. So it's a great little product here. You've got 8 pockets, so you can put anything you want in there. I usually put my magazines up here. You've got wipes, you know, anything that you need really quick, easy access for. And up here, the best part, you've got Velcro for your sunnies or clips for your keys, anything that you need. It's quick, easy access at your campsite. And the best part of it is it comes with this little storage bag, and it actually folds up nice and compact into this here. So it takes up no space once you put it away.
And that's a real key benefit for people out on the road who do caravanning or forward driving. Something really small and compact like that, that's turning into that amount of storage when you actually get to your destination. As you can see, you've got all your pockets decked out and lined up already.
Yep.
Mate, this is a great bit of product.
Yep, fantastic.